How to make money from home online. Whenever we search for how to make money fast, a lottery kind of stuff pop up, which tries to attract us for fast revenue generation, but we know it's not real. Welcome viewers to our channel where we are going to share 5 ways to answer you how to make money from home online. These ways are incredible and will work effectively in 2023 or 2024 for sure. Clue up to explore real ways to make money online. Number 1. Make money with dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model that allows you to sell a product to a customer. You must be thinking about what rocket science is, so let me tell you. The supplier of that particular product delivers the package to the doorstep of your customer. Dropshipping platforms like Shopify allows access to millions of products that you can add to your online shop. The premium account of Shopify Dropshipping allows users to use and edit pictures and descriptions of products to make them more appealing to consumers. Keeping dropshipping number 1 on the list because it is trending on Google and shows a bright future in the online world. Number 2. Generate revenue with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the most stable way of earning money from the internet at home. Though its popularity fluctuates sometimes, but it is an evergreen kind of method for making money. Most people are aware of the term affiliate marketing, but I will explain it to my adult users who are ending up in their schools or college and looking for passive income. In affiliate marketing, you promote brands. These brands can be clothes, accessories, software, apps, tools, gadgets, or machinery. You become a partner with those companies and get a commission if someone purchases you at the brand through your source. Amazon affiliate marketing is the popular one, and it is a proven money-making platform. Others include Uber, Shopify, and FabFitFun. In affiliate marketing, you select multiple products rather than one. All you need is to write engaging and helpful content about that particular product so that people can be convinced to buy and land on the company page from your website. Number 3. Make a YouTube channel. We want to make our viewers interested here by letting them know that Mr. Beast, Jimmy Donaldson, generated $54 million last year through his YouTube channel. And Jake Paul made $45 million, so why can't you make money from a YouTube channel? Select a trending and concise niche or topic, focus on your target audience, and make a video. If you create content on YouTube which people want the most will make your channel popular. Video games, technology information, makeup tutorials, prank videos, and review products are demanding now. Create appealing titles for the content and use such keywords that can optimize YouTube searches. Once your channel gets 1,000 subscribers, YouTube will monetize your channel and allow you to run ads. Number 4. Make money by making app. Only a developer can make an app, and what happens if you're not a developer? Still, I will suggest you make an app to earn online money. How? Go to the site Toptal and connect with pools of developers and hire one for the service of making an app for you. This site has numerous app developers so you can get one at a reasonable cost. Wait a minute. Don't come up with common ideas like camera filters and music players. Try to create a unique idea and share it with your developer to program it. Then add this app to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. In the beginning, allow your software to be free for everyone so that people can attract. When a lot of people began to download it, you got approval for adding ads and premium features to your app. Thus, you can generate unlimited money by making a single app. Number 5. Make money after becoming a virtual assistant. We are talking about online business. So for an online business, the staff is needed too. This stuff is termed a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant offers services like writing, social media campaigns, customer support, and bookkeeping from a remote location. These are a few examples of virtual assistant services, otherwise the list is long. Coming to wrap up. Freelancing was the most used word of past years for online working. These 5 online methods are part of freelancing where you offer services to the person you want. The core quality you need is communication skills. If you communicate effectively, you can sell products and get jobs from clients. This video has passive money-making methods that make you rich once you do it correctly. Subscribe to our channel to get a notification of the next video and hit like to let us know you will be the next popular online moneymaker.